Now start with preparation of alkane. In last class we discussed about the preparation of alkane by unsaturated hydrocarbon and by haloalkane. Another part of haloalkane is from Grignard reagent. It can be represented by RMZX. Clear? Where Rx be the haloalkane, it reacts with magnesium metal in presence of dry ether. It gave the formation of RMZX. Its name is alkyl magnesium halide. Alkyl magnesium halide. It is also known as Grignard reagent. In second step, when Grignard reagent on hydrolysis, it gave the formation of alkane. Clear? This one be the Grignard reagent on hydrolysis reacts with water. It gave the formation of alkane and release some molecule of magnesium hydroxide halide. According to water, it gave the formation of two ions, H positive and OH negative ion. On dissociation, MgX combined with OH and release MgOHX, and this H attacks on carbon chain and gives the formation of alkane. Clear? Next, preparation of alkane by carboxylic acid. By carboxylic acid. Clear? Carboxylic acid can be represented by R bond alkyl chain COOH. Clear? First step, when any carboxylic acid reacts with sodium hydroxide. Clear? We take an example. According to alkyl chain, take CH3COOH reacts with sodium hydroxide NaOH in presence of calcium oxide. Clear? According to structural form, CH3 C double bond O single bond OH and here Na single bond O single bond H. Cleavage take place from here and cleavage take place from here. Here OH negative and H positive combine and release some molecule of H2O. Here charge on carbon positive and charge on oxygen negative. This oxygen attacks on this carbon and gives the formation of CH3COONA. This name is ethanoic acid. This name is ethanoic acid and this name is sodium ethanoate. Name sodium ethanoate. In second step, sodium ethanoate again reacts with sodium hydroxide in presence of calcium oxide. Clear? Clean cleavage between CH3 and C, and here oxygen and hydrogen. Release Na2CO3, Na2CO3 sodium carbonate, and this hydrogen attacks on this carbon and gives the formation of CH4. Its name sodium ethanoate and this name is methane. Clear? In this reaction, number of carbon atom increase by one carbon. Here we take an example of ethanoic acid in which alk is eth. Clear? And in product alk is meth. Done. Convert acid into alkane and decrease in carbon atom by one carbon. This reaction is known as decarboxylation reaction. Clear? Another reaction by carboxylic acid to convert in alkane, its name is Kolbe electrolytic method. Kolbe electrolytic method. Clear? Take an example of ethanoic acid, CH3, C double bond O, single bond OH. Reacts with sodium hydroxide in presence of calcium oxide. It gave the formation of sodium ethanoate. Similarly as first step of carboxylation, decarboxylation reaction. This name is ethanoic acid and its name is sodium ethanoate. Second step by sodium ethanoate CH3 COO Na. क्लियर? रिएक्शन के अंदर बेटा हम सोडियम इथेनॉइट के 2 मोल्स लेंगे, 2 मोल्स ऑफ सोडियम इथेनॉइट. क्लियर? ऑन हाइड्रोलिसिस, clear? On hydrolysis means reacts with H2O. We can write 2 moles separately, CH3 COO Na, CH3 COO Na, and take 2 moles of water, H2O. Clear? Na with OH and OH release 2 moles of NaOH. Second, CO2 2 moles of CO2 and release dihydrogen from H and H. This CH3 attacks on this carbon and gives the formation of ethane, CH3 single bond CH3. साथ में क्या प्रेजेंट है? 2 NaOH plus 2 CO2 plus H2. Clear? It is also used to convert carboxylic acid into ethane. Clear? In this reaction, eth and here name ethane. Number of carbon atom similar, but we increase the number of carboxylic acid carbon. In alkane number of carbon increase. Clear? कोई सिमेट्रिकल कंडीशन यहां अप्लाइड नहीं हुई बेटा. अकॉर्डिंग टू रिएक्टेंट प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म होता है. सिर्फ इथेनोइक एसिड के अंदर हमने बताया कि कार्बन सिमिलर मिला. क्लियर? अगर यहां से मैं प्रोपेनोइक एसिड लेता तो जो प्रोडक्ट मेरे पास मिलता वो ब्यूटेन मिलता. मींस नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम इंक्रीज बाय 1 कार्बन. अगर यहां मैंने ब्यूटेनोइक एसिड लिया, क्लियर, तो ब्यूटेनोइक एसिड लेने पे यहां जो प्रोडक्ट मेरे को मिलेगा सिमिलरली वो हेक्सेन मिलेगा. क्लियर? तो स्टूडेंट ये हमारे पास कुछ प्रिपरेशंस थी एल्केन की. एक बार रिमाइंड करते हैं, हमने 2 क्लासेस के अंदर किस किस पार्ट से एल्केन को प्रिपेयर किया है. फर्स्ट वन बाय अनसैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन एंड इन विच hydrogenation reaction take place. It is also known as Sabatier and Sanders reaction. Second, from haloalkane, from alkyl halide से हमने alkane prepare किया. In this reaction, first Wurtz reaction take place. Second, Corey-House reaction take place. And third, by Grignard reagent reaction takes place. Third one, by carboxylic acid, in which 2 important name reaction. First, decarboxylation reaction and second one is Kolbe electrolytic method. Clear? In next class we discuss about the chemical properties of alkane. Thank you students.